Pros and cons of porcelain countertops. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're discussing a trending surface material that's gaining significant popularity in modern homes, porcelain countertops. They look sleek, stylish, and durable, but are they really the best choice for your kitchen or bathroom? Let's break down the pros and cons to help you decide. First, what exactly are porcelain countertops? Porcelain is made from refined clay and minerals, fired at extremely high temperatures. This process makes it very dense, strong, and resistant to stains and heat. Many porcelain slabs also mimic natural stone like marble or quartz, which makes them look luxurious. Pros of porcelain countertops. 1. Highly heat resistant. One of the biggest advantages is heat resistance. You can place hot pots and pans directly on the countertop without worrying about burn marks. 2. Stain and chemical resistant. Porcelain is non-porous, meaning it won't absorb liquids like oil, coffee, or wine. It's also resistant to household cleaning chemicals. 3. Scratch and UV resistant. It's harder than granite and won't scratch easily. Plus, it doesn't fade under sunlight, making it great for outdoor kitchens too. 4. Wide range of designs. Porcelain slabs come in many colors and can perfectly imitate marble, concrete, and even wood. That means you get a premium look without the high maintenance. Cons of porcelain countertops. 1. Can chip or crack at the edges. While porcelain is strong, its edges can chip if something heavy hits it. So, edge finishing and proper installation are important. 2. Limited availability of thick slabs. Unlike granite or quartz, porcelain slabs are often thinner. This means you may need additional support during installation. 3. Installation requires skilled professionals. Cutting and handling porcelain is tricky. So, you need trained installers, which can increase your overall cost. 4. Higher price than some alternatives. Although it can mimic stone, in some regions porcelain can be as costly as or more expensive than quartz. So, is porcelain right for you? If you want a countertop that looks modern, resists stains, heat, and sunlight, and requires low maintenance, porcelain is a fantastic option. But if you're concerned about edge durability or want a thick, solid slab feel, you might want to compare it with quartz or granite. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more home improvement tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.